Hey, what's going on? I'm going to show you guys how to clean a Smith&Wesson SD9VE. It's a 9mm. It's a pretty good priced gun. I bought this years ago. It's a fairly big gun compared to like a 40 caliber M&P. But this isn't going to be a long video because this gun is very easy to take apart and to clean. First, obviously, you can take your clip out and clear the gun, make sure there's nothing in there. You got your barrel, I'll turn around so you guys can see it. You got your barrel stop right here. So, pull it back, lock that into place. Right here, there's two little pins on each side of the gun. When you pull the barrel back, you're going to hold those down at the same time. What I do is I grab it right here, just like this, and pull it back like that. Pull down on those pieces, let it go, and then pull the trigger. Then just kind of push it on the back with your thumb there. Then you let go, it slides right off. It seems kind of complicated. I made it seem complicated, but it's not. You just hold those two pieces down there, and then hold the barrel back just a little bit while you're doing it, and then pull your trigger and it kind of shoots it off for you. From there, just easy, standard like any other handgun. You're going to pull down on your spring, take the spring out, clean that, and then there's your barrel. Just grab that and it comes right out. Mine's pretty clean, so it doesn't need any cleaning. I get bored, so I just clean them when I get bored. Then just put it back together same way you took it apart. Set your barrel in there, put your spring in, like so, and this, easy as can be. Try to get it into focus here. There we go. And just set it back on there, just slide it back, and it's done. It's on there, and you're good to go. That, so you take apart your Smith&Wesson SD9VE to clean it.